So here's a hack to make your wipers last longer. You can see I took all this gunk off of the other wiper, and if you just take some WD-40, spray it on a rag or a towel like that, then you just take your wiper and you just wipe it down. See all the shit that comes off of there? You just do this a few times and this will, I mean, it's not going to make them last forever, but it will extend their life. You want to do this before they actually start to fall apart, because out here they just fall apart. Yep, and there you go. And then they seem to be rejuvenated. That's all you do. WD-40, paper towels, run them back and forth across your windshield wipers once a year, whatever, however often you want to do it before they start to separate, and you'll get some more use out of your wipers.